Today I will be reviewing a dietary supplement product, namely the Cla Plus Carnitine product from BPI Health. Technically, you will find this product under the name of fat burners, and you want to take this product, or it's designed for people who would like to lose fat, who would like to lose weight. And it has been my purpose as well, and the reason I purchased this product was to lose some pounds. And so far I have been pretty successful with that, and I've been using this product every day in the morning and in the evening, as it is prescribed on the back of this bottle, which I'll get into right away. But first, let's just take an all-around trip around this dietary supplement. So you can see here BPI Health, it's a good brand, and it says a non-stim weight loss formula, and here is the Cla Plus Carnitine. It says that it may help, we'll get into that as well. What does may mean? Reduce body fat, promote lean muscle, and support athletic performance. You can see the ingredients here, and this is a fruit punch flavor, and I have prepared a bottle of this fat burner here in this bottle, and we will taste it as well. Alright, so this box contains 50 servings, and which is going to be enough, If you use it twice a day, that's basically 1 month of supply. In the back, I have kind of the top of the supplementary facts here, but it's only the title, so it shouldn't really hurt us. What you can see there is 20 calories per serving, very small, total fat 2 grams, it's okay. There's vitamin D in it, and here's the Cla matrix, the secret solution, I guess, which will provide fat loss. And safflower oil powder, avocado oil powder, coconut oil powder, and basically just very fruity things, and L-carnitine and other ingredients. It's artificial flavor, maltodextrin, which is kind of promoting a little extra energy. So it says take 1 serving or 1 scoop blended into 8 ounces of ice cold water. I have indeed had this bottle made ice cold in my refrigerator before solving the powder in it. And 1 scoop in the morning, 1 scoop in the evening, or as recommended by a healthcare professional. And you can do this before or after workout, or with or without food, it doesn't really matter. And it says it enhances energy metabolism, improve athletic performance, and fight fatigue. It does make you sweat more. I noticed that when I work out, I start immediately sweating. The sweat just flows into my eyeballs, and the salt kind of makes it hard, but it also feels good, because when you sweat, you know that you are burning fat, you are actually making your body work and your muscles work, metabolism work, so it's a good way to do it. But as I was talking, what does may help mean? Where was it? It said it may help to promote fat loss, it may help to promote athletic performance. The only reason it does that, if you work out on the side, right here in the front, of course. So you cannot just take this and expect to lose weight. You do have to work out and have a planned workout, which actually you rely more heavily on your natural workings of your body, and this is just a supplement. So don't expect to take it and that you're gonna miraculously lose a lot of weight. Alright, so I opened the bottle or the box, and you can see inside there's a little scoop which you can measure out your servings into the water if it's gonna focus. Oh, there you go. You can see the scoop. You can see a bag of I would say, a chemical which helps to keep the powder fresh for you for everyday use. You should leave that in it. You can see the kind of pinkish color of the powder because if it's a fruit punch. So as I said, I prepared a bottle of this fat burner right here, and I am going to try it. It's beautiful pink color, almost strawberry like. So this is what you should expect, and let me taste it. It's cold. Definitely recommend it cold. To drink it cold. It tastes like it's a very like definitely like a fruit punch taste, but it also has a little artificial taste. It's definitely not a juice. When you drink it, don't expect to get fresh juice taste out of it. It is a fruit punch taste, but you can feel that it's kind of artificial, like when you use artificially flavored toothpastes, for example. It's still a toothpaste, but you can kind of feel that there's a little something there. So this is still a fat burner, a supplement, not a direct fruit, but you can still, it makes it more enjoyable, and just the habit of drinking of this in the morning and in the evening keeps you reminded of your goal of working out. So overall, I highly recommend this product, and it's been working out for me so far. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you got some good information out of it.